So this project is a cardboard vase with tissue paper flowers. To do this project, you will need a small box. So I have a small box right here. You will also need a pair of scissors. You'll need some paint. I have some different color acrylic paint and also some white paint. I have some tissue paper squares. They are about 5 by 5 inches. And I have a few pipe cleaners. I have some paintbrushes, water, and I think that's it. So the first thing you want to do is cut the flaps off of your box if there are any, because this is going to be basically our vase. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the flaps off. And now I'm going to paint the outside of the box with the white paint because I want to have all the design and colors that are on the outside of the box. I want them covered. I don't want to be able to see them. So I'm just going to paint one side so you can watch me do one side and see what I mean. But you should do all of the sides. You don't have to do inside and you don't have to do the bottom. So I'm using acrylic paint because it's opaque, so it covers the design on the box really well. So I would go ahead and do the other three sides. Okay. So I have one that's already finished, so I'm going to show you that one. So here's one that's painted on all the sides, but not the bottom and not the inside. It's still a little bit wet, but it's okay for this. I'm going to move my other supplies over a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to paint a really simple design on my vase. So I'm going to use a small paintbrush like that. And I'm going to do some really simple flowers. So I'm going to use yellow for the center of my flower. Hold it so you can see it. So I'm going to do just a circle for the center. And I'll do a few circles just so that I don't have to keep cleaning my brush. I'll do all the yellow first. Alright, so there's my flower centers. And then I'll do some really simple petals. And these are just like single brush strokes. Here's my pink flower. I'll do a blue one. And I have some green paint, and I'll do the petals for the last one with green. Okay. So you can paint a different design on each side or do the same design all over. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to make a flower with the tissue paper and the pipe cleaner. Okay. So move this over. So there. All right. So the tissue paper, like I said before, is about 5 inches by 5 inches, this way and this way. It can be a little bit smaller or a little bit bigger, that's fine. And you'll need a pipe cleaner for the stem. So I like to use like 5 or 6 squares of tissue paper. I think I have, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have about 8 here, but that's fine. So I would say like between 5 and 8 squares. Okay, so you want to put them on top of each other, like stack them on top of each other as neat as you can get them. It won't be perfect. And then you're going to fold them all at once, about an inch up, like that, and then crease it. Flip it over, another inch, crease it, and keep going until you get to the end. Okay, so you're going to pinch it in the middle with your fingers like that. Take your pipe cleaner, and you're going to put the pipe cleaner like this, with a few inches up top, and the rest of the pipe cleaner down the bottom. Take the top piece, fold it over the tissue paper, and then twist it. So it looks like that. And now you're going to take the top layer of tissue paper, so with this project, it's the purple tissue paper, and gently peel this top layer towards the center of your flower. And then do the next layer. Still another purple piece. And blue. So as I separate each layer, I'm actually separating each petal. So these are the petals of the flower. So I did that first side, now I'm going to do this side. So there's my flower. And your flower can go right into your vase. And I pre-made some more flowers with different colors of tissue paper. I've got lime green in there and different colors of the pipe cleaners. And if you need to, like if your flowers look a little bit too tall, you can always trim the pipe cleaner. And that is my vase with my flowers. Actually, this one I think I'm going to trim. Well, actually, I could actually bend it like this. I don't have to trim it, right? Oh, yeah.